Hi guys, today I have the Crayola Marker Maker Kit, which makes 16 markers, and I have it with my sister. I'm doing it with my sister Thea.
Hi!
So we've got marker stuff, and then we've got a handle, and then we've got the
Paints.
marker die, I guess. Oops, something fell down. It's vials, and then we have the chip thingy, I guess, and then we have
The colors and sticker things.
and also, I guess, instructions. So just going to cut that open. And we have the color things like Kira said. We have label stickers. And we also have stickers which can go on the thing. So basically, to get started, we need to take the white thing and insert it here. So, kind of like that. Like, push it. Okay, yay, teamwork. No, it didn't work so you kind of have to push it, slide it in. Yay, it worked. And then, I guess you could open those. Oops, I don't know if that's supposed to come off. Push it in again. The next step is to push on the sides so the white tray can come out.
Yay!
And then you are supposed to take the green thing out. So you have the green thing out. And I'm just going to get everything set up and ready for making the markers. So everything's set up. The thing also doubles as a thing where you can store everything. And I'm going to put on the sticker right now. So we have the Marker Maker sticker. And that, the little circles are parts for the vial things. And we have the colors, and you're supposed to put in, you can make your own color combinations, but the drops cannot be more than 15. So I'm going to do a purple color, which takes, and I'm going to make it kind of my own. So 7 drops of the red and 8 drops of the blue. And Kira's going to make
A pinky color. A tealy color.
which takes 12 drops of blue and 3 drops of yellow. And Kira's going to do the yellow now.
1, 2.
And then I'm going to do the purple and 7 drops of the red, or pink, I guess, or magenta, and then 8 drops of the blue. And then we're going to take one of the cores, use tweezers to put them in. Hey, that's mine! Oopsie! And then you take the nibs. You take, like, the marker nib. Oops. The left cap. And then the plug. And then you take the marker nib. And then you insert them in your cores.
Okay.
Oops. Actually, wait. Wait, no. You have to take them out and put them in the cores, actually. Into the plastic barrel, actually. Oops.
Okay.
And then you take your plastic. Well, by now, I guess it should have soaked up all the way already. I don't know. It's still white. So, well, anyway, you put the thing nib down in the barrel. And mine's is only halfway there. Kira's is a bit further going. And I think you're supposed to have, well, you're supposed to have it all the way in. So I think we didn't put enough ink. So you may need to put in more. Or maybe upside down. So then the ink can settle, I guess, down.
Oopsie.
So we're going to add, basically just going to double it again. So 7 more drops of red and 8 more drops of blue.
Okay.
And so that's much better now. and Kira will basically double hers. So 12 drops of blue again, and 3 drops of yellow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
And then 3 drops of yellow.
1, 2, 3.
And then I'm going to drop it into the plastic barrel. And then I'm going to put in the plug, and you're supposed to push it down. It's basically just push it down. And Kira's going to take hers and insert hers into the plastic barrel. And by the way, the little holes on the sides are for when you're done with your marker, you cap it so the ink can flow to the nib. So we're just going to cap Kira's and go down. So let it go down. And then basically you have to clean these vials so you can make the next. So we have clean vials now, and I'm planning to do a green, which has 5 drops of blue and 10 drops of yellow. Kira's planning to do a more of a pink color, I think. So, and actually the thing is that what we did wrong before is that these little vials, they're like measuring cups, so they have like little increments. So you're supposed to fill it up to the 5, and then basically you're going to fill it up to the 15. Because they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So basically you fill up your number to whatever number it's supposed to, and then you do the next number to fill it up to the 15. So I got the green, and Kira's planning to do a pink, which takes about 3 yellow and 12 red. So she's going to fill it up to the 3.
1, 2, 3.
And then she's going to fill it up the rest with pink. So I'm going to put my thing in there. And then I'm going to put in the core. So there's a much more ink now. So you have to be a bit more gentle so the ink doesn't overflow and splash everywhere. I'm going to help Kira with pouring because it is a little bit hard. And Kira's going to drop in her core into her vial. And I'm going to take my core out, and I'm going to drop it upside down just so the other side can get more ink. I'm going to do the same for Kira's. And I'm going to drop mine's, I guess, I'm going to just drop it into the barrel. And then I'm going to take the plug and then use the handle to push it down. A nifty addition, I guess we'd call it. Sometimes you might have to push it a bit more so it can the plug can get fully in. And here's going to drop her pink core. And she's going to put the plug. And then she's going to, and she pushed it down, and she's going to put the cap.
Yay. 2.
You have 2 markers. The first one, there isn't that much progress to the nib because there was less ink. But we're going to clean the vials. So we have clean vials, and this is our 3rd color. And here's going to do one that has 12 red, I think, and 3 blue. And then I'm planning to do an orange color. So we're going to fill it up to the 12 in red. Then we're going to do the rest in blue. It's really cool to watch the inks mix together. And she's going to drop in her core, and I'm planning to do an orange color, which takes 12 yellow, and 3 red. That's our orange so far, and this is what it looks like when the ink is going up. It's really cool. And Kira is assembling her marker barrel.
Yay.
And then she's going to put her pinky purple, into the thing. And she's going to put the plug on it.
Yay.
Push it down. The only thing is that when you're pushing the plug down, the rest of the markers who are in the waiting thing jiggle around a bit. So I'm going to put my orange one into the thing, and then I'm going to plug it, push down. Cap the marker. And then put it in the waiting stand. So far my purple one is not really, there's not much progress. So now we have clean vials again, and I'm planning to do this blue in here. So I'm just going to put 3 red and 12 blue. So we're just going to fill it up to the 3 in red, and then fill it to the rest in blue.
Yay.
I'm going to add a little bit more pink. I'm going to gently let it soak up all the ink. And Kira's going to make her own color, which I don't know how, but she's going to fill it up. She's going to stop at the 5. Then she's going to put in some of the blue.
Yeah.
And she's going to fill that up to the 10. And then she wants more pink. So basically, she's going to do 10 pink and 5 blue. 5 blue if you want to redo the same thing as her.
It looks like an indigo color.
Yes. So I'm going to drop the cord into the plastic barrel. I like to do it with the white part on the top so the nib can get more ink faster. So we're planning to do 4 on camera and do the rest, and we'll come back to you with the swatches. So we're just getting the swatches done. So that's my purple, the first one. And then the second one I had was an orange. Well, actually, no, that was my third one. It looks kind of like an orangey pink. And then I have my green, which is more of like a lime green. And then I have my, well, let me help here with her cap first. And then here's going to swatch her markers because my blue is still settling. So that's her hot pink. And then you have
Teal.
And then we have the kind of, it looks like a rainbow, like, or no, pink purple. So I'm just going to start labeling them, and I've already put the thing on my, for my orange, I've already put the label on my marker, and then I used a Sharpie, but it's actually not that cool. I would recommend writing it like I'm doing it with the ultraviolet pudding. When it's still on the marker, when it's still on the paper, you write with the unlabeled marker, and then you stick it on, because one, it's easier to write on because it's flat, and second, it's cooler because it's the actual color. So I have lime green, super solid, and ultraviolet so far.
And I have my teal.
And I want to try out my blue. So just scribble around. It looks kind of like a regular blue. I was expecting it to be more of an indigo on the indigo side, but it's great. So I'm going to call this one Ocean Blue.
Now my indigo.
Yes, that was what I was thinking it would look like, but it's okay. So I'm going to cap that one. We have 4 markers, and we're going to come back to you once we do the rest of the markers and we'll swatch the rest of them for you so you can see. So we're going to split up this paper with all the markers we've done. Kira,
That's
Thea.
mine.
So my first marker is tomato red.
Rosy red.
It looks more of an orange for mine. And then I have super salmon,
And I have hot pink.
And then I have lemonade.
And I have brick red.
It's actually brown, but she likes the brick red better, actually. I have lime green. Oops, that's supposed to be forest teal.
And I have teal.
Then I have ocean blue,
I have green teal.
indigo river,
I have regular indigo.
ultraviolet,
And I have
raving pink.
rainbow.
And then rosy red and forest teals were color we made for each other, which was our last marker. And we still have some ink left over. We really liked the Crayola Marker Maker Kit because it was super cool to make our own markers, come up with our own names, and mix the dyes.
I like to get the colors too.
Yes, so it was super fun to make our own colors, all in all, and assemble our own markers like we were in a factory. So we give it 5 stars.